Hello, dear participants. Welcome to week number 4. This week is about intentional content. So you will learn how to flip and what to flip. Okay, so during this week you will learn about the intentional content, the descriptors of this pillar. There are some tasks that you have to accomplish this week. The first one is to provide peer feedback to one of your partner's lesson plan. In addition, you will reflect on which tool you will have to or you can curate and use to curate or create your own material based on the lesson plan that you designed in week number 3. You have to answer one question that is related to intentional content, and also there is an invitation in this week to write your questions for our guest speaker of this week. So a final recommendation is to explore deeply the resources about this pillar and also the technological tools that you may use in the future. There are some discussion forums, specifically 2 of them. The first one is about your dream material. You have to take into account some aspects to write 2 paragraphs on which tools you would like to use in your lesson plan and how you will use them to curate or design your own material in the part of the lesson that you consider. And there is a discussion forum to answer one question related to this pillar about intentional content. Okay, and in one of the tasks you will find an Excel document that you can find your name and in front of it a partner's name. So you have the same color and based on this color, that's the name of the person, or that's the person that you have to do the peer feedback of his or her lesson plan. So don't forget to explore this document. Finally, our guest speaker is David Walsh. He is a science teacher with over 20 years of experience flipping his content and flipping his classes. So this is an invitation to, of course, write your questions about how to curate or create material, because he's an expert doing that, and of course he will answer your questions. Thank you so much, and thank you again for being here in this session.